We missed you. I missed you! I missed you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Quick Life Virgins make me want to say so many things. What's wrong with being a virgin? They hear customs? Yeah, I said no! I said no customs. I work in a hospital? What? I feel like the money is so good there, but I really would not want to be around, like, sick people all the time. I feel like I'd be depressed more than I already am. I need a fucking nap. That's very old of you, Thicky. Hi, Dur. Welcome back. Oh, wait. Yeah, let me see. Ready for the next regions they're gonna come out with? Oh, for Arcane, right? They're doing some different shit. Let me see. What the helly? What was I just gonna do? I was just gonna do something. Oh, open Discord, duh. Okay, let me not search for Riley. Let me look in general. Can I? Oh! Are you fucking kidding me? Wow. 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 I have no words. I have no words for you right now. Wait, we won a game, guys. Holy. Ah! Uh-oh. Did Kenzo die? I gotta go. Ah, dang it. Bye, Kenzo. We'll miss you. Goodbye. Thanks for getting me a win at least. Yeah, we did it! Yeah, we did it! I'm so up. Maple! Hi! Hello! Mod's gonna get a shout out for Maple. You want Maple? Yes! Wait, you wanna play? Maple will get you all the wins? Yeah, Maple, look at this. Look at this. Yeah! Woohoo! Look at that. Now that's a real winner. That's a real winner. Hell yeah. Hi, Maple. I miss you. I love you. What level are you, though? We're not playing comp. Well, I'm level 65 and I'm diamond 3. I don't know if you were talking about level or comp, but either way.